Hello, awesome viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to the video. Guys, in our previous video, we have seen how we have created this new branch, and also we have added few more changes so that we could create a pull request. And we have created a pull request. We have merged the pull request also. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how to close the branch. For every feature, we'll create a new branch. Once the feature is merged and already it is tested and done all the regression testing, we'll close that feature. How we can do this, we'll see in this video. Okay. So now let me share the Visual Studio. So, okay. You can see now I'm in the master branch. So let me check out to new branch. Okay. So I have to use the command git checkout new branch. So if you don't know how to see this, I've already added one video where you can see how I created a new branch and also how I changed between master and the new branch, etc. You can see them. Okay. Now you see I have a new branch. Okay. So now what I'll do some changes here. Okay. Just I'll add like this is a file create new branch. Now I am going to close this branch. Close new branch. Something like this. So usually this won't be in real life. It won't be just text message. We'll add different code. We'll have a particular feature to be developed. So now let me save this. Okay, I have saved it. Now what I will do? Simple, same thing, guys. I will do git commit, and you have to give meaningful name -m, and here you have to give so updated. So I have to give updated tutorials file. So once you have done that, click on enter. So now it will say new branch is there. So we have modified the changes. What you do, guys? Usually we have to add git add space dot. Then you run this command. So it will commit all the changes in your local repository. So now what you have to do, you have to push it. Okay. I have read git push. So now you can push. Always you can use like this git push origin head. So that will directly push to master. So the push has been now completed. Now let us see the browser. What and all we have done in the browser. So let me refresh this. You can see new branch has recent pushes less than a minute ago. Now we'll do what? Compare and pull request. So since I'm the one who created the new branch, so I'm the one who created the master branch, I can write updated the code. That's it. I'll add this copy, paste here. You can see the changes. You can just write compare pull request or create pull request, etc. So once I have created the pull request, so now we have to check for the merge availability. Here you can add the reviewers, whatever the reviewers you want. So now, since we don't have any approvers, we can approve it and we can close this branch also. Let me merge the pull request. Okay. First, let me confirm merge. So now you'll get an option. See, you can close or delete the branch. Okay. Pull request successfully updated and closed. Usually the future is done. What we'll do, we'll click on this. We'll delete the branch. The branch has been successfully deleted. Okay. So let me reload this, or let me go to tutorials. You can see master branch only we have. Okay. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Goodbye.